climb.
Are you climbing? You a climber?
Good, good. Oh, what did you look at?
The gourd.
Oh, the gourd.
Gourd fell.
Gourd.
Oh, it fell. That's right. It did.
Did it fall?
Well, he had it up.
Put a bit
Right.
off.
Yeah, but I think that's what he
We'll push it
noticed.
against the wall.
Oh, yeah, that might be it. That better? Yeah, another ketos. No, those are ketos.
Gourds, right.
Gourd. That's a gourd. Yep, those are gourd. Let's put this. Yep. TikTok. Say hi, Guido.
Don't leave it there. I'll just walk.
Yep. It's almost 10 o'clock, guys. Come on. We gotta go home. Guido, huh?
There you go.
Yep. He's got a red